At Crescent Healthcare, we have supported healthcare professionals and their clients for over 4 decades. We are committed to providing solutions that promote safety, dignity, and comfort, because we understand that every individual has unique needs. A well-designed shower commode can make a significant impact in daily care. It supports patient independence, reduces caregiver strain, and plays a vital role in preventing pressure injuries, one of the most preventable yet challenging complications in healthcare. That's why design details like the footplate matter. Although we have a wide variety of shower commodes to meet the needs of different clinical settings, today we are comparing 2 of our most prescribed attendant-propelled shower commodes. Both are built from durable stainless steel and trusted by healthcare professionals. Imagine assisting a stroke survivor with mild lower limb weakness in a small hospital bathroom. A shower commode with a sliding footplate provides stable foot support, helping maintain safe-seated positioning while carers work efficiently. Now consider a patient with significant hemiparesis who relies on a hoist transfer. A commode with a swing-away footplate design enables carers to clear foot support quickly, streamlining transfers and enhancing patient safety. Selecting the right footplate design supports staff efficiency, infection control, and patient dignity in every care environment. Let's start with the sliding, non-slip, foot-operated footplate. This model is ideal for high-use environments such as hospital wards, where speed and infection control are key. The sliding footplate is foot-operated and can easily be extended or retracted. The stainless steel frame, locking casters, and deep front trough design make it highly durable and easy to clean in wet environments. Now let's look at the swing-away, removable footplate. This model is designed for accessibility and flexibility. It is perfect for settings where side or standing transfers are common, such as rehab and ward care. The flip-up footplate, height-adjustable armrests, and seamless PU seat all enhance patient comfort and carer ergonomics. Its open rear and deep trough design make toileting and cleaning easier. The sliding footplate model is ideal for patients who require consistent lower limb support in high-turnover clinical settings, while the swing-away footplate design allows for easier hoist or lateral transfers, making it suitable for patients with limited mobility. Choosing the wrong model can compromise patient safety and workflow, so it is essential to match the footplate design to each patient's mobility needs and the clinical environment. And because no 2 clients are the same, every Crescent Healthcare shower commode can be customized to suit your needs at our state-of-the-art facility in Campbellfield. You can also visit our Experience Center to explore our full range of shower commodes. A variety of accessories and customized seat options are available to support individual comfort and dignity. Contact us today to inquire about our full range of mobile shower commodes. We look forward to supporting you to support others.